How to log in JTAP Finance Earning. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into JTAP Finance Earning. Login in JTAP Finance Earning is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit JTAP Finance Earning. Type JTAP Finance Earning, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link, it will take you to the option page and click on sign in. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your username and your password. Input the username associated with your JTAP Finance Earning in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on reset. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.